The next task is to add a template. Templates are really useful starting points as you can modify them to suit your needs. To do so, you're going to go over to the toolbar again, and you'll see here the templates icon. If you can't see it, it may be you need to scroll up or down. So you can see it's gone. If I just click that arrow, the templates occur again. I click on there. So you can see there's a variety of places to go for templates. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose this one. I just click add and it will form on my board. I'm going to adjust it so it fits underneath my slide. And I did that just by going to the left-hand corner until I see an arrow and then dragging that arrow until it makes it smaller. Now I can name this template. It's called a weekly agenda, but I want to name it Michelle's weekly agenda, and I may even put week beginning October 19. Then I can go ahead and click on the card and add a to-do task. Go ahead to the next task.